2021. I'm Sweetie Shah and let's have a look on today's headlines. Honorable Governor of Odisha State Professor Ganeshi Lal, Chief Patron of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted oath-taking ceremony. Delegation of Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides met Honorable Governor of Jammu and Kashmir to commemorate BSG Foundation of Flag Day. Constitution Day observed by Scouts and Guides all over the country. Single-use plastic collected by rovers and rangers under BSG Clean India project. Advanced course for Scout Masters conducted by BSG Assam State. Sanitization drive conducted by the Scouts and Guides of BSG North Frontier Railway State under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Telangana State organized basic course for Scout Masters and basic course for Guide Captain. Webinar on Her Story, Our Story, Orange the World and Violence Against Women organized. Now coming forward to news in brief. National news. Honorable Governor of Odisha Professor Ganeshi Lal, Chief Patron of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, conducted oath-taking ceremony at Raj Bhavan, Bhubaneswar on 25 November 2021 in the presence of National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner Shri Kali Prasad Mishra and Shri Saswant Mishra, Principal Secretary to the Governor of Odisha. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides delegation met Shri Manoj Sinha, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Jammu Kashmir Union Territory Chief Patron, Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides at Raj Bhavan, Jammu on 27 November 2021 to commemorate Flag Day or Foundation Day of 2021 of Bharat Scouts and Guides and pinned the Flag Day sticker to Honorable Lieutenant Governor. Eastern Regional Headquarters celebrated Constitution Day on 26 November 2021 under the leadership of Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director, Eastern Region, with the help of Camp Warden Shri Prasenjit Roy and Office Secretary Shri Kapil Rajak at Regional Headquarters Ganganagar, with the Rovers and Rangers of Ganganagar Shikhan Shibir. On this occasion, all the participants took oath on active citizenship. After the oath-taking program, Rovers and Rangers participated in cleanliness drive at Ganganagar State Training Center for making plastic-free zone under the initiative of BSG Clean India project.
To come forward and take active citizenship pledge. I am a citizen of India and of the city. I live in Kolkata. I believe in the democracy and the rule of law.
Celebration of the Foundation Day of East Central Railway State Training Center, Danapur was organized on 28 November 2021. A colorful program was presented by the members of Danapur District Association, East Central Railway Danapur in the glorious presence of District Commissioner of Scouts. Scouts of Kendrapara District of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides cleaned village pond, temple premises and collected waste materials and also disposed of them at designated places of Kendrapara under Clean India project on 29 November 2021. On 1st December 2021, the AIDS Awareness Campaign Rally was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on the occasion of World AIDS Day in different districts of Odisha State. Fit India activity being regularly organized by the East Central Railway Odisha State and South Eastern Railway State Association at district level. They are also regularly conducting yoga, BP6, etc. Members of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Adra District Association actively participated in cleanliness drive at Adra on 27 November 2021. They collected plastic and waste materials at State Training Center Adra under BSG Clean India project and sent for waste management. On online youth membership registration was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 26 November 2021 virtually. Shri Bajnath Prasad, State Coordinator OYMS Bihar State, conducted the meeting under the guidance of State Secretary Shri Srinivas Kumar. In the meeting, members discussed on the issue of password receiving, reset the mail ID, etc. Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director, Eastern Region, suggested the district officials to complete membership registration on OYMS till 30 December 2021. On 26 November 2021, Constitution Day of India was observed by the guides of Namchi Girls Senior Secondary School of Namchi, South Sikkim. A simple program at this school before the assembly of this school was organized where they took the pledge to respect the Constitution of India. Rangers of Amrit Prabha Ranger team participated in the celebration of Constitution Day organized by Gandhian Studies Center, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Kamrup, Assam in college campus on 26 November 2021. Rangers distributed handmade masks to the Honorable Guest HOD, Head of Department of Political Science, Guwahati University, Professor Akhil Ranjan Datta. Rangers also motivated the students on Orange the World and Violence Against Women. An advanced course for Scout Masters was conducted by the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State at Don Bosco School, Pan Bazar from 23rd to 29 November. 18 Scout Masters from various Don Bosco schools of the state undergone the training. The course was conducted under the leadership of Mr. R.A. Laser, ALT Scout of BSG Assam State. In connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, sanitization drive was conducted at Hijiguri Railway High School on 27 November 2021 by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides, North East Frontier Railway, Tinsukia District Association. 32 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders participated in the sanitization drive. The Scouts and Guides of Bharat Scouts and Guides North Frontier Railway are all set to observe the cultural workshop which has started from 25th November. The workshops will be continued for 15 days and will be concluded on 10th December 2021. The workshops have wide publicity in print media and the senior officials of North East Frontier Railway have shown their keen interest by involving themselves in the workshops. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Telangana State organized basic course for Scout Masters and basic course for Guide Captains at State Training Center, Jidimetla, Hyderabad from 22nd to 28 November 2021, in which 40 candidates participated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Southern Railway State Integral Coach Factory District Kamban Scout Group visited Egmore Police Museum on 28 November 2021. On 30th November 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Andhra Pradesh State Guntur District celebrated birth anniversary of Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose on 30th November 2021. Rovers and Ranger units of Government College Karshong District Mandi, Himachal Pradesh organized 4 days Pravesh testing camp from 24 to 27 November 2021 in which 68 Rovers and Rangers participated. On 25th and 26th November, International Day of the Elimination of Violence Against Women and Constitution Day of India was celebrated by Rovers and Rangers of Government College Nagrota Bhagwan, District Kangra. The Constitution Day was celebrated by the Rovers and Rangers of Government College, Mantor District, Kangra on 26 November 2021. Quiz competition was also organized to celebrate the day. The Rovers and Rangers of Government College, Kullu, went to slum area to teach children under Project Samarth on 27 November 2021. Apart from this, singing and dancing arts of the children were also encouraged. Dr. Deepa Thakur and Rover Scout leader Professor Jyoti Charan Chauhan were also present on this occasion. Disaster management course was organized by West Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarters, Jabalpur from 26 to 28 November 2021 at District Scout Den Jabalpur, in which 70 members of Jabalpur, Kota and Bhopal District Associations participated. On 26 November 2021, Constitution Day was celebrated and oath was taken by the participants of district level Tritis Open Scout or Guide Testing Camp and Rover and Ranger Testing Camp of Bharat Scouts and Guides, District Mungeli, Chhattisgarh. The Scouts and Guides of Srijan Sonkar Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Bharat Scouts and Guides Local Association, Arang, District Raipur organized a rally on 28 November 2021 in the school premises to make India and Chhattisgarh plastic free. The guides made people aware about the environment through rangoli and painting. On 4th December 2021, webinar on Her Story, Our Story, Orange the World and Violence Against Women organized by the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters. Her Story, Our Story evening gracefully started with a welcome address and stopped the violence knowledge by Joint Director Guides of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar. A very informative and detailed training was delivered by 3rd Don Black Belt, Karate Champion and Trainer and Advanced Cub Master of North Frontier Railway, Mr. Deep Jyoti Mandal, The final remarks and blessings were delivered by the Vice President of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ms. Vimla Meghwal, on the 3rd December. Her story, Our Story, will be highlighted by Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director, the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and via training webinar on safety at workplace, which will be taken by Ms. Nirmala Bhakre, a professional social worker and guide leader of Nivedita Girl Guide Group, Sangam. All for 75 participants and 19 core team volunteers of Stop the Violence 2021 team attended it. COVID news. Rovers and Rangers of Cuttack district distributed mask and sanitizer in their locality under COVID-19 services. Under the coronavirus vaccination Mahabhiyan program, senior scouts or guides, rovers and rangers of district Garyaband, Chhattisgarh reached door to door in the village to get information about who has been vaccinated or not, who are more than 18 years old, and also motivated people to get vaccinated. Forthcoming events. Webinar on 8 December 2021 regarding child protection policy. Webinar on 10 December 2021 regarding legal right of a woman. Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0 workshops in regional languages like Malayalam and Hindi on 4th and 5th December 2021 and 11th and 12th December 2021 respectively. 23rd International Adventure Program at NAI Panchmari. For more details, refers to NHQ Circular Number 159/2021 dated 30th November 2021. Volunteering opportunity to work with WACS on global level. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 158/2021 dated 27/11/2021. Do something drastic and cut the plastic. For more details, refers to NHQ Circular Number 157/2021 dated 26 November 2021. Second Outstanding Scouts or Guides of the BSG Award 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 156/2021 dated 23rd November 2021. A series of webinars on upskilling our nation's young workforce. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 151/2021 dated 17 November 2021. National Level Youth and Celebration Camp to commemorate National Youth Day as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 161/2021 dated 3 December 2021. National Integration Camp to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. For more details, please refer to NHQ Circular Number 163/2021 dated 3 December 2021. Azadi Ka Digital Mahotsav, State Master Trainers Training for BSG. Digital Smart Generation Surf Smart 2.0. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 164/2021 dated 3 December 2021.